Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful 3D triangle shawl. You can look at that. We have triangle like bricks. I like it very much. I made a sample, little sample, you can see that, and finish with little shells here. We also crochet shawl and the border together, so don't need to make after border. You can see its triangle effects, I hope. Look at that. This is my I bought this yarn a long time ago, so I don't have any information about that, but nearly its size is 3 and it's nearly 100 grams is equal to 210 meters. I use 4.5 millimeter hook. You can see that. I like its effects. You can see here 3D. I recommend to you, you can use which yarn you want. Also I will show you another different cake yarn. It's a little more thicker from this yarn, but you can use every yarn, but not so thin. Okay, if you want to see these bricks, these 3D effects easily, you need to use nearly 3 or 4 category yarns. Okay, if you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful shawl. Let's start to crochet. We will start with magic ring or 3 chains. I will show you with 3 chains. I will use again 4.5 millimeter hook. Make a slip knot. 1, 2, 3 chains. Turn back to the first one and join 2 sides together with slip stitch. Then 1, 2, 3 chains. This is my first double crochet. Yarn over. Insert that little hole. Grab your yarn. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Make double crochet. Chain 1 and make 2 double crochet in the same hole. 1 and make 1 more. 2. Not make so tight. Okay. This time chain 3. Yarn over. Insert that hole. Grab your yarn. Lose it a little. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Again make 2 double crochet. And do the same thing on this right. In this right. Chain 1 and make 2 double crochet here. 1 and 2. This is our first row. Turn your work and make 1 and 2 slip stitch and come to chain 1 space. This is our border part. 1, 2, 3 chains. Count as my first double. Yarn over and make 1 more double. Chain 1 and make 2 double in the same space. This is the right border. Then 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert into the chain 3 space. Join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over. Come to next chain 1 space and make the left border. 2 double. Chain 1 and 2 double. This is the second row. And turn your work. Now we start the pattern and you will repeat always the third and the fourth row. It's so simple. Make again 2 slip stitch, 1 and 2, and make right border. Chain 3, count as first double. Make here 1 more double in the same. Chain 1 and in the same space make 2 double. Yarn over, come to first chain 3 space and make here 5 double crochet. 1, 2. If my video comes so fast, you can drop my speed from 3 dots here. Okay. 3, 4 and 5. Not make any chains. Yarn over and come to next space and make here 5 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over and come to chain 1 space and make your left border 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double. This is the third row. Turn your work. Again make your slip stitches 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3 chains, count as your first double, insert into the same and make one more double, 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double in the same space. This is my left border. Now this repeating of the second row is here. Chain 3. I made chain 3. Come to here, 5 double here, 5 double here. Insert the left this border double, insert the first double and join with a single crochet. Then chain 3 and start to make front post clusters actually. Insert the first one like that. Grab your yarn, pull through 2. Yarn over. Insert the next one as front post. Grab your yarn, lose it, pull through 2. Yarn over. Insert the third one. Grab your yarn, lose it, pull through 2. Yarn over. Insert the fourth one. Grab your yarn, pull through 2. 5. Insert the fifth one. Grab your yarn, pull through 2. I have 6 loops on my hook. Yarn over. Insert the sixth one. As front post again, grab my yarn, pull through 2. On the seventh one again insert front post, grab your yarn, lose it, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the next one, grab your yarn, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the next one, grab your yarn, pull through 2. And the last, the 10th, insert as front post, grab my yarn, pull through 2. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 11 loops. Grab my yarn, pull through all together, be carefully here. Locked with chain 1, then 1, 2, 3 chains. And come to here, end of these yarns here. Join with a single crochet. Do the same thing as here. 1, 2, 3 chains and make your left border. 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double. Always you will repeat the third and the fourth and turn your work. Look at that 3D effect. This brick comes here. Now do the same thing on the third row. You can see that. Make my slip stitches 1 and 2. Make your right border 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, make one more. Chain 1 and make 2 double crochet in the same space. This is my right border. Now I have here 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain 3 space. I will make every space 5 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to next chain 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to last chain 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This row, every chain 3 space, you will make 5 double crochet. Then I come to left side, in chain 1 space, I will make 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double. Turn my work. This is the repeating of the fourth row. You can see here. Always do the same thing. Make 2 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3 chains. Count as first double. Make here one more. 2, chain 1. Make 2 double crochet in the same space. Now again chain 3, prepare the new 5 doubles place. This is my border, and come to first double stop and join with a single crochet. Then chain 3, yarn over and start to make my front posts. Insert the first one, 1, next 2, next 3, next 4, next 5, next 6, next 7, next 8, next 9, and next 10. I have 11 loops on my hook. Pull through all together, be carefully locked with chain 1. Then do the same thing, chain 3, insert the next group's first double and join with a single crochet. And don't forget, make one more time chain 3. After, start to make your front posts. Chain 3, join, then chain 3 and start to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have 11 loops. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1, and prepare the new 5 double crochets place. Chain 3, insert this stitch, next stitch, join with a single crochet, chain 3, and start to make left border. 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double, and turn your work. You can see your bricks. After that, again make your border. Then every chain 3 space you will make 5 double crochets. After, turn your work and make your border. Then chain 3, join with a single crochet on the first double, then chain 3 and make your front post clusters. You will keep repeating like that until you will come to the end. Your width comes to 160 centimeter. Okay, it's that's enough, you say. It's enough for me. Which size you want? Maybe you want to use it as a coat. So I finish like that, but you can finish which you want. Okay, I made again 2 slip stitches, 1 and 2, and make my border again. 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double. I make my left border, then come to first space, make here 5 double crochet, 3, 4, 5. Come to next space, make single crochet. Come to next, make 5, 3, 4, 5, and find your shawl's middle point. Here is my middle point. I make this middle point a single crochet and make 5 double crochet next one. 1, 2, only make this the middle point. 3, 4, 5, then next chain 3 space single crochet, then next chain 3 space, make 5 double, 3, 4, 5. Come to chain 1 space and make your left border. Chain 1 and 2 double in the same space. That's my finishing type. If you want to make it different, you can make it. That's it. Only repeat the third and the fourth row. I hope you like it. Its 3D effect is so gorgeous. I hope you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. You can reach me on Instagram, on Pinterest, on Facebook, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.